Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the locations to complete the riddle movie guide to get the new emotes in this spring season at the Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic, and at this event, you can get the new free new emotes like this one. And to get this emote, you just need to pop the bubble, the riddle bubble at the map. And for this emote, the Forest Foraging emote, you can pop the bubble that you can find at the tier tower over here. Just go to tier tower on here near the NPC Patty, and then you will found this bubble, and then just pop it like this, and you will automatically get the new emote like this, and the new emote will be added automatically to your emotes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.